Hello ladies and gentlemen, good day for everyone. Today I am going to recharge MTFE account. So first we have to touch profile and wallet here and recharge. Touch recharge, network TRC20 wallet address here. First you have to copy this wallet address, then we have to go Binance. So now I am in Binance. Then you have to touch wallet, spot and withdraw. Touch spot, withdraw. Then currency USDT, network here address from MTFE, paste, network from TRC20, confirm, then amount I will put here 489, withdrawal, confirm, get code, now I already paste here verification code and here email verification code, then submit, view history, withdrawal processing, view history, now we have to wait until this one approved. Now you can see processing, you can see here processing. When it's finished, this one gonna be green color, then completed, they will show completed. We will wait until complete. Okay, now we can see here completed. Then we will go and check in MTFE. Okay, we can see here those 488 here. We can check here also recharge history, recharge, touch this clock, transfer, recharge here, today date and time 11:52. You can see top here 11:54. now it's received 11:52, 488. So I go again back. Now we can see, now we have to transfer to my asset. For that we have to touch transfer, you can see here from wallet to asset. Then we have to put here I have available 488. I will touch here maximum and confirm. Successfully transfer. Back from here, then we can see here my asset $505. So guys, I think everything is very clear. If you like this video, receive to your mobile as soon as I uploaded to YouTube, please subscribe and click the bell button also. Okay, see you in next video.